It's just one thing after another today. It's so stressful. We have a hot tap dripping downstairs. Waste of energy, waste of money, waste of water. And we do have members who are plumbers, but they're all busy. And I have phoned an emergency plumber, and that was 25 minutes ago. More money wasted. Oh dear, oh dear.
What's wrong?
You're wearing jeans.
Yeah, so?
We don't allow jeans in the club.
I mean, you do know that I'm not actually here to play golf.
This is my fault. It's just our policy.
Well, I do have a pair of shorts in the van. I can always pop back and change if that's any good.
That is super. We do allow shorts. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh.
What is it now?
We do allow shorts, but not ones with external pockets.
Yeah, but I don't actually use these pockets. They're just for show.
Okay, can you just wait there a minute, please? I've got an idea. I went to these would do. I found them in the lost property.
Okay. It's no good.
Okay.
They're not going to go over my shoes.
Oh, yeah, take your shoes off. Then she'd work. Oh dear. Oh. Jump up. Maybe you'll get them on. That's it. It's working.
Oh.
I think we'll have to find something else.
Oh.
Right, here he comes.
All right, lads.
How you doing, Captain?
How you doing today?
Good,
Yeah, very good. Food all right?
Aye, it's fine.
Yeah, lovely,
Good
lovely.
stuff.
Good stuff. Cheers.
Cheers. Right.
When I talk about proposing changes, Jerry, I absolutely understand that the traditions of the club is absolutely paramount. I've been a member for 27 years, so I know what we need to keep that integrity.
I know, Derek, it's all about that. I mean, look at the club, look at its history and its...
It's very stiff.